use the performance clip on any of the MetaHumans that you create, or you can download it. So it is a very powerful tool, very easy to use, and you can easily transpose your facial expression, facial performance to other MetaHuman creators. The drawback of this system currently is that you have to use certain models of iPhone, or you have to use the stereo camera, and you have to use the live link application which is available from iPhone iStore. So this is the only drawback. Besides that, it is a very interesting technology. You can check out the tutorial of the video which is available on Unreal Engine YouTube channel. I will provide the link of that tutorial in the description below. But if you are new to the channel and you like news regarding technologies, particularly regarding Unreal Engine, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment. Tell me guys, what do you think about this technology? I will meet you in the next video. Take care.